So that really wraps up the presentations this morning, and thank you to all the presenters. So, where to from here? You've heard from quite a few different people today, from Mike Graham and from Lighting Council, and they've all got offers to help. You have all got jobs to do, and that you've got carbon to reduce out there in the next 3 or 4 years. So we're all keen to listen and help and see what we can do to get these projects underway. The comment was made, I think, by all of the speakers that use experts. It's not something you can necessarily do on yourself, something you want to do on your own, but use experts, and there may even be funding available to help with those experts, and just really get on with it. So thank you very much for your attendance today, and thank you again to the speakers. Thank you very much. We have some lunch over here for you now, so you can have a bit of a chat, and we've got just a collection of a range of modern light fittings there, some of which are controllable and show some of the features that we've talked about this morning. So please join us for lunch, and thank you very much for spending the time to come today. Okay.